Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. It's another day, another gastos. And for today's video guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Trip Hotel or Trip by Wyndham Mall of Asia Hotel. And we're gonna stay here for 3 days and 2 nights. So of course, kapag mga hotel staycation tayo, expect nyo na tayo mag-hotel and room tour, and at the same time, magka-honest review tayo. Check natin kung worth it bang magstay dito. So let's start guys. Ang Trip Hotel ay located malapit sa Mall of Asia. Kabilang dulo nito guys kasi ang SMX Convention. Tapos sa kabilang dulo naman yung Trip Hotel. So napapagitnaan niya ang Mall of Asia. So right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa swimming pool area nila sa rooftop. As you can see sa background ko, marami naliligo. Papakita ko sa inyo yung view. Bayside tayo or seaside. So ito guys, may reclamation area. So as you can see, ang haba niyan from there going here. So kaya guys, marami ako nakikita sa TikTok na nagre-reklamo na parang asa na yung seaside na tinatawag nila kapag nag-i-stay sila sa Sofitel or meron pang mga hotel dyan guys. Kapag mag-i-stay pala kayo dito sa Trip Hotel guys, malapit na kayo dito sa may area kung saan nag-o-offer sila ng Corregidor Day Tour. Tapos ito yung mga bangka na babiyahe. And since day tour na lang siya guys, papakita ko rin sa inyo yung nakuhaan ko kahapon na information lang kung gusto nyong ma-experience yung Corregidor Day Tour. During the pandemic, nag-close kasi yung Corregidor Hotel, kaya hindi sila nag-o-offer ngayon ng night tour sa Corregidor. So for the meantime, day tour muna. And then, may Vikings dito kung gusto nyong kumain. Tapos ito building yan, call center building. Tapos may 7-Eleven din dito guys, just in case na magstay kayo dito at wala kayong mabiling mga pagkain or chips, may 7-Eleven, so walking distance lang yan. Tapos pwede rin naman kayo mag morning run kung gusto nyo doon sa side na yon hanggang dire-diretso na.
I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you.
So hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa ground floor. Papakita ko pala sa inyo, so if ever meron kayong mga sasakyan na dala, meron silang parking area dito guys. And ito yung kanilang parking area. Tapos kung naka-grab naman kayo or naka-taxi, pwede kayong pumasok dyan hanggang dito. And ayan ang kanilang hotel entrance. So tara, pasukin natin. Good morning. Thank you. Ayan. So ito guys yung shuttle schedule nila. Trip Hotel to SM MOA 11 to 5 and 8 p.m. Tapos SM MOA naman to Trip 11:15, 2:15, 5:15 and 8:15 p.m. Ayan, so strictly not allowed. By the way guys, nandito tayo sa receiving area or receiving floor ng hotel. Kung mapapansin nyo, may escalator going to their lobby, to the reception. And ito yung itsura ng kanilang receiving area. Ang ganda diba? So pagdating nyo dito guys, ito yung entrance, hotel entrance. So pwede nyo iwan dito yung mga luggage ninyo. Tapos sila na yung mag-a-assist going to your room kapag nakapag-check-in na kayo. Tapos if ever maulan, may mga umbrella doon. Tapos ito yung elevator going to the second floor. Pag mabibigat yung mga dala ninyo, para hindi na kayo mag-escalator. So may options kayo guys na iwan dito yung mga luggage ninyo kung napaaga yung inyong mga dating dito guys. Kasi ang standard check-in dito ay 3 p.m. At ang check-out naman ay 12 noon. Kung mag-i-stay kayo dito, bawal ang mag-yosi. May dedicated area lang sila for smoking. Bawal ang pets. So no durian kasi nga masyadong maamoy yan guys. And no dried seafood. 10,000 pesos for the violators. Tapos ang cute lang guys kasi everyday nagpo-post sila dito ng weather forecast. So at least you have an idea kung uulan ba or hindi. So diba? So tara, akit tayo going to their reception area. This is the stairs naman guys going to the third floor, which is yung kanilang resto for the breakfast buffet.
No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you. Oh well, it's not that easy. Waking up
So dito sa kanilang lobby area guys, or sa second floor, merong outdoor table kung gusto niyo magstay dito and gusto niyo mag-bar, uminom or mag-chill lalo na sa gabi. Pwede kayo magstay dito sa gabi guys. And isa pang option is dun sa rooftop bar nila sa may swimming pool. Kaso if ever may event, kino-close kasi nila yon, may option kayo dito magstay sa second floor nila. So guys, since nandito naman tayo and hindi pa tayo tapos sa tour na hotel, mag-review agad tayo for the location. So 5 ang pinakamataas guys. I'll give this hotel like 4 star na lang siguro. Kasi dulo siya ng Mall of Asia. 3 to 4 kilometers pa to going to the airport. Sa kabilang dulo kasi siya guys ng SMX. There's still a lot of hotel options na pwede nyo pagstayan around the area ng Mall of Asia. So may mga nakita pa akong hotel malapit sa Mall of Asia. Though, pinakita ko naman sa inyo guys na may free shuttle sila. So I think not bad. Okay, so next review tayo guys. Let's review the cleanliness. Wala akong masasabi. For the cleanliness, it's 5 stars. Sobrang linis ng room nila, pati ng lobby. Meron tayong ganun diba? Na parang feeling na kapag pasok mo pa lang sa hotel, yung vibes or yung mood na binibigay agad sa'yo. Maganda yung lobby nila guys. At saka, kapag pasok nyo pa lang ng hotel, yung kanilang receiving area. Ganda ng color combination ng mga lightings. Yung room, yung swimming pool, wala akong masabi. Mabagal yung wifi. Ang bibigyan kayo ng voucher code and that's good for one device. Hindi nga lang, talagang may mga times na nawawalan ng internet. You have plans na magstay dito and you're gonna be working from home, hindi ko siya i-recommend kasi nawawalan ng internet and even yung pocket wifi guys na smart, ang hina ng signal, namamatay-matay. Try din ako mag-Mobile Legend guys, naglalag. Syempre, pag nandito kayo, wala kang ginagawa, kung mahilig kayo maglaro, syempre, nasa phone nyo lang naman, ma-i-imbay lang kayo. Matatalo kayo, lalo na kung nagra-rank game kayo. For the breakfast buffet, hindi pa kami nagtatry mag-breakfast. So I think yun yung next natin gagawin. Okay, so let's go!
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again.
So guys, kapag may hotel staycation, hindi lang pwedeng hotel tour ang ipakita ko sa inyo. At syempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang room tour. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng room na kinuha namin. And by the way guys, ang room types na kinuha namin ay 2 double beds, city view. Kasi guys, may option din kayong kunin yung bayside view pero hindi namin kinuha. And take note na itong room namin, walang breakfast. But you have the option na kumuha ng breakfast once you get here. So mamaya sasabihin ko sa inyo yung details. Pero ito munang room namin guys ay nakuha namin ng 9,100 pesos. Good for 2 nights, 2 adults, and libre na yung kid. And I hope na-consider nyo itong hotel na to kapag nagawi kayo bandang Mall of Asia or around the area at gusto nyo mag-relax or mag-chill. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's start the room tour. Ang room na assign sa atin ay room 1206. Pagpasok nyo on your left, toilet and bath agad ang bubungad sa inyo. So meron siyang pinto and sobrang linis guys. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang puti as in, di ba? Nakaka-amaze kasi napaka-aliwalas kahit magstay ka lang dito sa bathroom. So of course, merong 2 bath towels, may 2 face towel. Tapos ito yung shower area. Ayan. And meron ding toilet. And 10 out of 10 for the bidet. Tapos may tissue and half mirror. Tapos meron ding complimentary or free dental kit, shampoo, lotion, soap, vanity kit, and shower cap. And para sa mga bilat guys, for sure ito palagi yung hinahanap nyo kapag nag-staycation kayo. Merong, of course, na blower. Ayan. So, that's it. And sobrang linis, sobrang maaliwalas. Tapos paglabas nyo guys, ito na yung bubungad sa inyo, yung inyong mismong room. So again, 2 double beds yan. Each bed guys may 3 pillow. So sobrang nakakaano, di ba? Nakakamiss. Kasi normally, ang standard dati is 2 pillow lang. Pero yan, 3 pillow na agad per bed. Tapos may mga side lamps, may center table, may side table. Tapos ito yung window. And again, ang kinuha natin is city view. So may option kayong kunin ang bayside view. Tapos on your right, may cabinet dito, may TV, may mini work table. So may 2 bottled water, may electric kettle, may libreng coffee, creamer and sugar. Tapos may ice bucket here. And my mini fridge. Ayan. So, pakita ko sa inyo, ito yung city view. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung anong building yun guys. Alorica. Tapos yun yung kalsada. So, close natin. Kasi takot yung baby ko sa heights. Ayan. So, aside from the bed guys, meron ditong built-in couch. Oh, diba? Tapos, cabinet of course. Meron ng for luggage. Tapos may safety deposit box dito na may kasamang sleepers. Sobrang simple lang guys. Maliit lang siya, which is the normal size of a hotel room. Tapos ito naman yung view kapag nasa door kayo. O, diba? Sobrang maliwalas guys talaga. Ang ganda ng lighting, ang ganda ng color combination. So yun nga, hindi kami gumawa ng breakfast and you have option guys na kunwari nag-decide kayo na gusto nyo pala ng breakfast kapag nag-check-in kayo dito, then pwede naman. Pero may price difference lang guys. So sasabihin ko sa inyo, suggestion ko, kung gusto nyo ng breakfast, then you can pay directly upon check-in. That's 500 pesos per head. Kasi guys, kapag let's say pagising nyo, gusto nyo pala mag-breakfast, nakapag-check-in na kayo dito, nakapag-stay na kayo, then dumiretso kayo sa restaurant nila, that's 750 pesos. I highly recommend this building I highly recommend this hotel kapag nagawi kayo around Mall of Asia or around the area, tapos gusto nyo mag-stay, mag-chill, mag-relax, then definitely Trip Hotel or Trip by Wyndham Mall of Asia Hotel is the best hotel for you. So guys, let's do an honest review sa stay natin sa Trip Hotel. So value for money, yung room kasi na nakuha namin guys, ay dapat ang price nyo talaga is 11,057 pesos. Nagkataon lang na yung credit card ko guys, isa sa mga credit card ko may promo. So naka-discount ako ng almost 1,900. O diba? So ang binayaran na lang namin from 11,000 ay 9,167 na lang. For the room rates, siguro bigyan natin siya ng 4 star. 4 star kasi sasabihin ko sa inyo yung reason kung bakit hindi ko siya binigyan ng 5 star. Kasi may mga facilities na hindi namin experience. So service naman, let's give them 3 star. Kasi guys, sa pagpasok mo doon, parang hindi lang sila welcoming. Tignan. Di ba nga sabi sa King Dalan, Hermes. So mga hindi mga nakasmile. So yun, hindi lang welcoming yung vibes. Pero maganda yung lobby. Now, kapag may mga request ka naman, mabilis naman guys, so far. And ayun lang, siguro always smile. Kasi syempre pagdating mo sa lobby, mga customer nandyan. Tapos sa breakfast naman, okay naman yung sa breakfast, yung service nila. Yun nga lang, may additional charge pa rin yung bata. Kasi di ba nga normally sa mga hotel, kahit 4-star or 5-star hotel, libre na yung bata sa breakfast. 4 years old pa lang yung baby ko. Hindi naman siya masyado nagbo-breakfast. So, binilhan na lang namin siya ng bread. Sige, mukhang yun lang. 3-star for the service. Kasi di ba pag check-in mo, dapat maganda agad yung bungad sa'yo. Kasi syempre, for the rest of your stay, yun agad yung parang mapifeel mo, di ba? And next, last but not the least, is yung facilities. 3-star na lang din. Maganda naman, nasa rooftop yung kanilang swimming pool. May rooftop bar din. Meron din silang mini gym. Ang honest feedback ko lang, kasi nangyari guys, is hindi namin nagamit yung swimming pool during our stay. So, ang kwento, nung nag-book ako nung room prior to our arrival date. Nag-message naman yung hotel na yung kanilang pool is under renovation and matatapos siya sa first day namin, which is okay naman kasi may second day pa naman kami kasi we stay there for 3 days and 2 nights. So yung second day, unfortunately, hindi rin namin nagamit dahil may event, may kinasal, tapos dun yung ginawang reception at our party or after wedding party. Ganyan. Ang problema lang, walang nagsabi kasi I doubt naman na biglaan yung event na yun, di ba? So yun lang yung pangit kasi to be honest, kaya kami nag-book ng Trip Hotel kasi na-experience ko na mag-book dun before and nagustuhan ko naman yung rooftop swimming pool and bar nila. Yun nga lang, itong baby ko is talagang gusto mag-swimming. So ang tendency, nakaka-imbe kasi nag-stay kami doon alang-alang sa kanya for the swimming pool. Pero yun, ang ending, hindi kami nakapag-swimming for the whole stay. Dapat man lang, sa binayad namin, 100% sure na kasama yung mga facilities na like the swimming pool. Pero if ever may mga events naman na gaganapin sa kanilang swimming pool area, dapat you should at least inform your customers. Kasi sobrang dami yung customer, posibleng may iba doon na talagang swimming pool lang yung hanap or swimming pool lang yung pinunta doon. So wala man lang pa courtesy or complimentary anything na binigay or sinabi. I'm not asking really for any complimentary stuff. Yun na yung pangit. So yun, diba? For the service, hindi na nga kayo nag-i-smile, hindi na nga kayo welcoming. Pero pagdating sa facilities, diba? You should inform if ever may mga hindi kayo gagamitin or hindi pwedeng magamit na area sa hotel ninyo. Hindi na lang ako nagreklamo guys kasi wala man tayong magagawa dahil nga may event. So on our last day, hindi rin kami nakapag-swimming kasi late na kami nagising. At ang check out ay 12 noon. So nag-breakfast na lang kami noon. Well, you could have improved more lalo na kung maraming hotel pang ibang options, diba? So ayan. Yan ang honest feedback natin. So overall 3 star. 3-star kasi okay sana yung location, okay yung cleanliness, pero yung sa service facilities, nadami kasi yung value for money. So hindi siya worth it, parang ganon. Hindi worth it yung bayad mo kasi hindi mo nagamit yung swimming pool, tapos yung service ganon, then at the same time, hindi pala kasama yung bata sa breakfast, yung mga ganon, di ba? Domino effect. So it's up to you guys if you want to stay pa rin. Nakita nyo naman yung ating hotel tour and room tour. May mga staff guys hindi ko lalahatin yung staff, pero may mga mababait at saka nag-greet. May times na parang dami namin ng gamit, may option pala na mag-trolley pero hindi kami tinulungan, yung mga ganun, hindi kami in-assist. So that's my honest feedback sa trip and expect more of an honest feedback in the future kapag mag-hotel staycation tayo. And I'm not paid to do this, kaya honest ang gagawin natin. Pero at least, di ba, may idea kayo kung ano yung experience ko. And malay nyo naman, iba yung maging experience nyo, so why not? Try nyo pa rin. So that's it. And I hope na-enjoy nyo again yung ating hotel and room tour. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos natin. Keep safe, keep traveling, and enjoy every moment. Thank you guys. Mwah mwah.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now.